Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your project folder in Visual Studio Code so you're working in the right place. Once done, focus the Explorer panel on the left and press Ctrl+ to reveal the integrated terminal. This keeps file edits and commands in one context. Make sure you can run basic commands like git status or node v. If those fail, the terminal will show why. This approach saves context switching and gives you immediate feedback as you navigate files. You'll move faster when you rely on quick commands instead of clicking. Press Ctrl+P to open any file by typing its name. This is faster than expanding folders. Once a file is open, split the editor with Ctrl+\/ and use Ctrl+1, Ctrl+2 to jump panes so you can compare code. For precise edits, use Ctrl+G to go to a line and Ctrl+F to find text inside the file. These tools you finish by tailoring VS Code to your workflow. Install language extensions and enable format on save so code stays consistent automatically. Once edits are ready, use the source control view or Ctrl+Shift+G to stage and commit, then push using the built-in controls or terminal. If performance lags, disable any heavy extensions and check autosave or telemetry settings to reduce background work. One troubleshooting tip: if the editor hangs, restart with all extensions disabled to isolate the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.